Good day from sunny Florida. This is Bill Mascas, and I want to show you this amazing Aquila 32 sport cruiser that I can sleep one couple in the cabin, and actually additional people on the deck when you have the filler cushions for the tables and stuff. But it can entertain unlimited amount of people, meaning it's as long as you have life-saving equipment, you can certainly have the space to entertain on this awesome little boat. Let's go on it. As we're getting on the swim platform, you see the boat is powered by twin V8 300 Mercury Verado. You have a large beach ladder with great supports to get up on the boat. Stepping forward, you can see the massive amount of space to entertain on this boat. Starting with these two reversible seats on the cockpit. You have the shore power and twin fuel tanks. On this side, you also have a shower head, so when you come up, you can rinse off. All around seating with storage. The table opens up, and there is a filler cushion to add on top in order to make it a nice lay down area. You have a twin helm seat. It is a joystick boat, digital throttle, all the basic switching. You can have a single or twin screen array marine 12-inch. The VHF just to the side. Very nice visibility all around. And if that doesn't bring enough air, you still have twin hatches up on the hardtop. Speakers all around. We go to the galley area over here in the front with a large refrigerator, thrust receptacle right next to it. We have the grill and a sink right next to it with a place to put the cover when you have it open, so it doesn't slide all over the place. Plus you gain a cutting board area. Going to the bow area, very comfortable. You can lounge 3-4 people over here. Further forward, 2 storage areas, and also the windlass with a stainless steel anchor. On the port side, you have the cabin with almost a queen size bed and a nice storage area all around and underneath the bed. And then on the starboard side, we have a spacious head. It's a wet head. You can have a shower as well down here. The faucet is removable and becomes the shower head. This is a brief presentation of the Aquila 32 yacht. Please come over to our store, make an appointment and come and see it. Call us or go to our website for more information. Thank you. This is Bill Mascas from MarineMax in Stuart. Have a great day.